Hey, Billy and Kayla, just wanted to check in real quick with you guys and share with you, put a few hours into this project and wanted to share with you what I think is going to be a very helpful tool for us to meet our goal of end of the year completion on this workflow process for the sales and project coordinating and implementation and project management and customer service and accounting and special projects. So Kayla, you're absolutely right. We only work on it once or twice a week, only for a few hours. It's never going to get done, and that's not going to help us grow to $100 million. So I'm going to use the project module, or actually app, inside Zoho to do this. And I went in here and set this up, and we'll talk about this on our Monday morning meeting and get familiar with it. It's going to be super easy. Kayla, you'll be able to wrap your brain around this with no problem. So I put together this project. Now, the other projects could be the design center. It could be the website. It could be the back office, TLC back office. So we can use this to generate the scope of work and the action items and who's responsible for those, and keep track of that as well, and make sure that nothing gets slipped up, or if something stalls out, we can quickly identify what that is and refocus. So this is our build out for this. I'm using milestones, which milestones are kind of these big events that we're going to have happen. For example, outline sales, outline implementation system. These outlines are basically what we're going to be doing each day next week. We're going to outline all the things that we identify for each one of our stages, and then our next milestones will be building those. So we're going to go and build out all these things that we need to do, like create the email templates, create the workflows. And so I have here on this milestone, we can have tasks. And so for that Monday morning task, we're going to create the Miro workflow. We're going to identify all the things that sales has as far as actions and actionable items and deliverables and content and things like that. And so I'm having you, Kayla, be responsible for this. We'll be working on it together, but this will be your responsibility to sort of flesh it out. Giving you about 4 hours to work on it to make sure that after we're done talking, you clean it all up and make it look good. I also would like this to be billable, so I'd like for you to keep track of how much time that you put into it. Billy, on a side note, I'm putting together I put a dollar value to the labor rates, so that way we can see how much this costs at the very end. Just for curiosity's sakes, what did we spend as a business? And as we go along here, we are going to be able to finalize this and move to the next milestone. So next week, as we're working through this, we'll start building build out the sales system. And so what this is basically building out the step-by-step workflow action items. So this will be all the tasks that we have. Some may be assigned to Kayla, some might be assigned to you, Billy, some will be assigned to me. We might have Bear doing something, maybe Aaron might be doing something. So this allows us all to work on these projects together, and maybe working on multiple milestone projects together. And so I think this way we can divvy up all the responsibilities and make it go a little smoother. It's all also placed on the calendar, so we'll get to see each week, each day, what we're working on. There's discussion feeds in here, so we can also open up chats that are specific to specific milestones or tasks, so we can chat back and forth and make sure if we're looking into one place for information as we move along, instead of getting our emails all dragged up, full of things we can't find on specific topics. And this basically will just show you all the feed. It'll show you all the everything going on as far as the whole communication with this within this project, this actual project, which is the build out for. I'm gonna go here. The build out for the TLC sales implementation, project coordinating, project management, customer service, and accounting. I think it's in here. Yeah. So this is what's all the milestones. These are the individual tasks. We will be seeing a huge list of stuff to do. This is an amazing project to take on, but I feel really, really strong that we can handle this and make it happen. So Monday morning, get ready. Thank you.